How to retire early and live financially free. Retiring early and achieving financial freedom is a dream that many people share, yet only a small percentage manage to accomplish it. The traditional retirement age of 65 or older often feels too distant, leaving many to wonder if there's a way to break free from the cycle of working for decades just to enjoy a few years of relaxation. The good news is that early retirement is possible if you plan strategically and take disciplined action. The key lies in understanding financial freedom, setting clear goals, saving aggressively, investing wisely, and building passive income streams that can sustain your lifestyle indefinitely. Understanding financial freedom. Financial freedom is the ability to cover living expenses without relying on a traditional job. It means having enough savings, investments, and passive income sources to support your desired lifestyle. When you achieve financial independence, you no longer have to work out of necessity, you can work because you choose to. This concept is at the core of early retirement because once you reach this stage, you can leave the workforce whenever you want. To determine how much money you need to retire early, it's essential to calculate your financial independence number. A common rule of thumb is the 25x rule, which suggests saving 25 times your annual expenses. If you expect to spend $40,000 annually in retirement, you will need at least $1 million in investments to sustain yourself comfortably. This calculation is based on the 4% rule, which assumes that withdrawing 4% of your total investments annually will allow your savings to last at least 30 years. Setting clear financial goals. The first step toward early retirement is to define your financial goals. Ask yourself at what age you want to retire and how much money you'll need to sustain your lifestyle. This requires creating a detailed financial plan that includes a realistic estimate of your monthly and yearly expenses. Factor in housing, food, transportation, healthcare, travel, and leisure activities. It's also essential to anticipate inflation and unexpected costs. The amount you need today will not be the same as what you'll need in the future. A well-structured plan will help you stay on track and adjust as needed over time. Once you have a clear goal, you can develop a strategy. Increasing your savings rate. Saving aggressively is one of the most critical factors in retiring early. While most people save 10 to 15% of their income for retirement, those who aim for early financial independence need to push that number much higher. Many early retirees save 50% or more of their income by drastically cutting unnecessary expenses and living well below their means. One of the best ways to save more is to analyze your current spending habits and identify areas where you can cut costs. Reducing dining out, avoiding impulse purchases, canceling unused subscriptions, and downsizing your lifestyle can free up a significant portion of your income. Living in a smaller home, driving a used car instead of a brand new one, and adopting a minimalist lifestyle can all contribute to a higher savings rate. The more you can save, the faster you'll be able to reach financial freedom. Investing for long-term growth. Saving money is only part of the equation. Investing accelerates wealth building. Keeping your savings in a bank account with low interest rates won't help you retire early. Instead, you must put your money into assets that generate returns and grow over time. One of the most effective early retirement investment strategies is investing in low-cost index funds that track the stock market. The S&P 500, for example, has historically provided an average return of 7 to 10% per year. Other options include dividend stocks, real estate, and bonds. Real estate investing can be particularly beneficial because it provides rental income and potential property appreciation. Buying rental properties and earning passive income through rent can help cover your living expenses. Another option is investing in businesses, whether starting your own or investing in existing profitable ventures. Many people build online businesses, create digital products, or invest in e-commerce to generate additional income. The key is to focus on passive income sources, income that continues to flow in without requiring active work. Increasing your income. While saving and investing are essential, increasing your income is equally important. The more money you make, the more you can save and invest, allowing you to reach financial freedom much sooner. Several ways to boost your income include negotiating a higher salary at your current job, switching to a higher-paying career, or creating multiple income streams. Starting a side hustle is one of the most effective ways to increase income. Freelancing, consulting, or monetizing a hobby can provide additional cash flow toward investments. Many people also use the gig economy to their advantage, working part-time jobs, offering online services, or selling products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. It's also wise to invest in yourself by acquiring high-income skills. Learning valuable programming, digital marketing, or sales skills can open doors to better paying opportunities. Certifications, advanced degrees, and specialized training can boost your earning potential. Eliminating debt and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. If you're carrying high-interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans, it's crucial to pay them off immediately. The longer you hold on to debt, the more interest you'll pay, which slows down your ability to save and invest. One strategy to eliminate debt is the avalanche method, which involves paying off the highest interest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. Another approach is the snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Whichever method you choose, the goal is to eliminate all unnecessary debt so you can redirect your money toward wealth-building activities. It's also essential to avoid lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending as income grows. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you need a bigger house, a luxury car, or expensive vacations. Keeping your expenses low, even as your income rises, is one of the most effective ways to accelerate early retirement. Preparing for healthcare and unexpected expenses. One of the biggest concerns for early retirees is healthcare, especially in countries where private health insurance is expensive. If you retire before qualifying for government healthcare programs, you'll need to plan for medical expenses. Options include health savings accounts, HSAs, long-term insurance plans, or medical tourism, seeking treatment in more affordable countries. Having an emergency fund is also critical. A financial cushion of 6 to 12 months' worth of living expenses can protect you from unexpected situations, such as medical emergencies, market downturns, or property repairs. Start taking steps today, and your dream of early retirement will soon become a reality. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.